Is it too early for a glass of rosé? That was a really fast no in my ear. Oh, really fast. Nope. No, it is not. Well, cheers, my friends, coming up in our show. So let me get started, though, with a little block, if you will, of Temp-tations. I'm going to move this over here so we can see that big old gift card. Remember, 20 bucks off? Okay. So Temp-tations, it's all about entertaining, right? And it's all about gathering around the table and really just spending time with friends. So this is a set of 3 14-ounce mini loaf pans with gift boxes. So if you love to gift these, if you are doing a cookie exchange, you're bringing baked goods, maybe you have a neighbor who's fallen a little ill and you want to bring them something special, this is perfect. It is a Christmas and July sale price of $19.98, which means you have an easy pay of $4. Let me take you through your options here because this is perfect bake and take. This is done in their famous stoneware, which means dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, oven safe, up to 500 degrees. You have the cute little locking lids on the top. It is K69234. All right, your colors are, well, your patterns, colors, I don't know what you want to call them. I'll start over here. This is going to be your Winter Whimsy. And you can see all the familiar little Winter Whimsy characters. Then we have it for you in what we're calling, is this reindeer? I think this is reindeer. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at those reindeer on there. And I love that you get 3 different tins, or not tins, pans. Then we have it for you in the woodland. Fewer than 300 remain. 2 more on QVC.com. We have it in the damask. How many? 250. That's gorgeous. And then we have poinsettia. 60 remain, 60. It's under a $20 bill. It's a $4 easy pay. You bake, you take. It's next level giving. Let me go ahead and invite in Lisa Lesort, who's going to join us for the next few minutes. Lisa Lesort, my dear friend, it's so good to see you. Thank you for joining me this morning on In the Kitchen with Mary.
I'm so excited to be here. And I got to tell you something. This is part of our Break Apart gift collection. But even when I saw this price, Julia,
It's
clearly
crazy.
with the quantities that you just said, they will not last,
Oh,
right?
no.
All the way into getting them for Christmas. So when you think about the fact that you can get 3 individual gifts, right, for just about under $7 a gift, including the gift box,
Right.
it's just amazing. So this is a 14-ounce capacity. Thank you. That's the reindeer
Look
right
how
there.
cute that
All
is.
stoneware, all hand painted, not only on the outside, but the inside, like Julia's showing you. I love the fact that no 3 of them match. We did that purposely, so that if you want to give them to the same person, great. But if you want to break them apart, you kind of know the personality of everybody that you're gifting to. But this is Temp-tations stoneware that you have known and loved for 21 years. So it goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. We even have our retro snap-on storage covers, so that super easy to bake your little your breads in here, your cakes, and then give them as that great gift.
These are so fantastic. They're absolutely
Yes.
adorable. It's that like perfect sweet spot of capacity with those 14
Yes.
ounces. And the fact that you're getting the gift box to go with them. Oh, they're taped together. Thought I
There
just
you
did
go.
like a little magic trick. The fact that you get the gift boxes to go, and I love, like, it's the details, and that's what Temp-tations is all
Sure.
about. Not only like the functionality, but the fact that these are hand painted inside and out. The fact that they have just like this moment of whimsy, this sweet characters to them. This real, I love the reindeer, which is why I can't stop looking at it. But this is the reindeer. I would love to show you Winter Whimsy because we have all of our little favorite characters, our familiar friends, like Penny the Penguin, like Mr. Bojangles. Hold on, I'm reaching over. Who else do I have on here?
So you have Gumdrop, our gingerbread, Mr. Bojangles, our little baker there. And these are our merry chefs, by the way. Julia, look at the detail, putting the little chef hat on each one. They're each holding like a cute little accessory for the kitchen, and they're holding a little baked treat. And by the way, that's Elf Bertie, if you're wondering who that elf is.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder who named that guy right there.
I wonder, Elf Bertie, that's so cute. And all colored on the inside. You get a red, you get a blue, and you get a green. And I love the idea that, yes, you can fill this with baked goods or candies or anything like that, but you can also bake something in here and deliver it.
Oh, perfect timing, because I'm just putting on my, by the way, our gloves are the big deal today, so I'm going to walk over with my gloves.
Nice.
They are. Fabulous. And then look at this. This is what's so great. So you're getting 3 of these, just under a 3-cup capacity right there, which is what I love. A 2-cup capacity. I apologize. But it's not just for baking your sweet treats, which is wonderful. Maybe you want to pick up the woodland and you're going to use it for your side dishes. Like my husband and I are empty nesters. This is still that great stoneware that you know and love. So check this out. My ooey gooey mac and cheese. Yum. Yum. Look at that. Peeling right away from the side. Yeah, you see the steam coming off of there. So not only are they adorable, there's a pattern and a color for everyone, but they're functional.
Right.
So that when you get them home, like you said, yeah, they're great for your cakes right here.
Oh, how
But
cute.
they're also great. And right, look how, okay, close up.
Oh
Look
my
how
gosh.
sweet
What's on top? I
that
can't
is.
see.
Oh, it's a little Santa.
Oh
And
my
then
gosh, it is a little Santa.
Like,
This
just
is so
absolutely
clever.
adorable. And this could be from a box mix, right, Julia? Like, I'm
Right.
not a great baker, so I could take a box mix it up, pour it into the 3, and I'm good to go. But here's my dinner scenario for me and my husband. So I did a great little meatloaf in one, and then I did, check this out. This is the damask that I'm showing you. A bread, yummy. It just
It
pulls
just
right
pulls
out
right
of there.
out. That's the glory of your stoneware. I would love to take
Yes.
everyone through the color options and pattern options again, because this is an incredible price, under $20. So you're looking at about $6 and change each, including that gift box as well. So if you just want to gift it on its own, go ahead. But if you want to bake it in and gift it that way, you absolutely can. So I have it for you in the Winter Whimsy, and I love how the boxes even coordinate with whatever pattern you're picking up. I think that's a really sweet detail. So there's your Winter Whimsy, there's Gumdrop, there's Mr. Bojangles' Elf Bear Tea. Then we have it in possibly my favorite for the holidays while we're celebrating Christmas in July. Here's your Reindeer. Then we have it for you in, oh, Reindeer is the most popular. Here's the Woodland, which is actually what I collect. I collect the white Woodland. It's my favorite. $250, and this one is something that doesn't scream holiday either. So if you want to pick these up, start using them now, you absolutely can. Then 2 more on QVC.com. 3 dozen now remain in the poinsettia.
Ooh.
And fewer than 250 remain in the damask. It's $19.98. That means you're getting this home for an easy pay of $4. While we're celebrating an easy pay weekend, 5 on everything that you see on air and online, 5 easy pays on everything. This is K69234. Millions of ways to use these. And that's the whole thing about Temp-tations. Not only is it functional, it's just so pretty to have out and about, and it makes a statement, whether you're delivering it to someone's door, someone's under the weather, or you just want to say thank you. Maybe they walked the dog while you were out of town. It's just a quick little, hey, thanks so much, but something that they can keep on using.
Keep on using it. And you know what else I love to do? I love to pair this with a gift card, because sometimes you just don't want to give a gift card on its own. But how cute it would be. I mean, not the size gift card you have over there, but maybe the more normal size.
Let's see if I can jam this baby on in there. Let's see here.
I mean, maybe just the credit card size one would work better.
So close.
But how cute would that be? Tuck it in here. Snap on the snap-on storage cover. Think of what you pay for a gift bag.
Right.
Sometimes over $5.
I know
this
it.
is everything that you're getting times 3. So you're getting the gift box, the beautiful little 14-ounce baker, the snap-on plastic cover, times 3 for under $20. It's crazy.
And in that stoneware construction that literally does it all.
Yes.
Like, there's nowhere that stoneware cannot go. It could go in the fridge, in the freezer, in the oven, in the dishwasher, in the microwave. It goes everywhere you could possibly need it or want it to go. So in our last 30 seconds, I'm going to take you through your options again. Remember, you're getting 3 of them, plus the gift boxes, the lids on top that snap right on. Here we have it in the Woodland. Here's your Reindeer, which is the most popular and my personal favorite. Here we have it in Winter Whimsy with all of our familiar, friendly faces. Getting very limited is the damask. And we also have it in, do we still have the poinsettia? Only 2 dozen now remain in the poinsettia. It is under a $20 bill. You're getting 3 of them. Done in that stoneware construction. You get the lids, you get the boxes, and it's a $4 easy pay. Pick up multiples. You will use them for years to come. It is K69234. All right, but if you don't feel like